Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, brushed aluminum running boards, 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. An espresso brown ginger beige interior paired with a brown eucalyptus wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Come around back. You've got a trailer hitch. Our GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, power windows, heated steering wheel, got a push start ignition, steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Navigation. This one comes with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, our turn knob for our infotainment center. This GLE 350 has 10,526 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmanimports.com.